All right, this one is called Young, Dumb. Wait. Before I sing this song, I want this to be the loudest song of the evening. I want you guys to go crazy and show me what Argentina is about. All right, this one is called Young, Dumb, and Broke. Here we go. So you're still thinking just like I know you should. I cannot give you it. You know I wish I'm so high, I'm so cool. You're just a young dumb man, but we still got what? Young dumb, young, young dumb, young dumb, young dumb. We have so much in. We argue all the. You always say I'm pretty sure I'm right. What's fun about when we have all I to live? Yeah, we're just young, but we. What? Young, dumb, young. Young, dumb, young, young, dumb, young, dumb, joke that we think live the whole the game. Born in the same. I'm so hot, I'm so cold. Yeah, we're just, but we. Young, dumb. Thank you, Lollapalooza. Thank you, Argentina. Gracias. Te amo. Peace.